Welcome to my channel. I'm Zhan Xu. Let's look at the problem 54 in chapter 5. In this one, we can see we have two objects A and B. They do the circular motion on this horizontal plane, right? And then we need to figure out the central force and find this tension between each other. So we can see if we look at the object B, for B we must have gravity, normal force, and the tension from this cable. And there, one thing we must take care is tell us this is a frictionless horizontal surface, so that means there is no friction force. So the force makes the MB to move to do this circular motion. It's just the central force is just the tension FTB, right? So similarly for FO, the mass A, so the object A, we can see we have the gravity, we have normal force, and also the tension, so FTA and then the FTB. So this one, because at this side the cable act force on it, at another side the MB pull it, so we have these two forces FTA and FTB. Therefore, very easily we can write the Newton's second law in equations. First one is FTB equal to mass times the central acceleration, agree? And then the central force for A is just FTA minus FTB equals mass times the central acceleration for A. You can see there the velocity for A and B is different. And we know their frequency is same. It tells us the frequency is just a revolution per second. That is easy to understand, revolution per second. So frequency is just equal to what? The 1 divided by period. Agree? So the velocity, we can see the velocity is 2 pi r times f. Very easy to understand because velocity for one revolution, how much distance it covered? 2 pi r. How much time it takes? Period t. So use the total distance 2 pi r divided by t. It's just the velocity. So velocity is 2 pi r divided by t. So it's 2 pi r times the frequency f. Agree? Yes. And then we can see in this one, we can solve the equation for FTB. For FTB, we input the velocity b inside, we find is 2 pi rb times f, then we get the final answer for FTB. And then for FTA, we input the FTB and the velocity a, we find it is in this way, right? And then the final answer is this one. And then we are done. Thank you.